This is the Amazon Basic 6-cube interlocking wire grid storage shelves, and it measures 14 by 14 inches. Each cube can hold up to 10 pounds and maximum of 60 pounds total. You can use these horizontally or vertically too. And you're going to get 23 of these grids and 26 of these plastic corner pieces. You're also going to get a user manual of directions on how to set it up, but I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is take out all the corner pieces out of the bag. Make sure to count all the pieces. The next step we're going to do is get these two grids and interlock them together with these corner pieces. Just like that. Let me show you a close-up of what I'm talking about. So here's a close-up of them put together. You see how they fit in these corner areas? Perfect. Now let's go on to our next step. Now we're going to repeat the process with these next two. Perfect. And we're just going to repeat the process. Just like that. And now we're going to repeat it again with the next two grids. Then make sure they're all secure. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is get these pieces and put them vertically. Just like that. And this is such a nice modern design. Perfect. Now we're going to also put them into these middle areas too. This is so easy to do. It's kind of like putting in a puzzle together. Last one. Perfect. Now we're going to put these in between them all. All you have to do is make sure they line all the way up. Last one. Perfect. Now, no tools are required, but if you want, you can use a rubber mallet. Perfect. Now I'm going to flip it over and do the same again on the other side. Now I'm going to repeat the steps on all sides. Although it looks pretty good. Okay, and now the last step is to make sure they all are lined up perfectly. And looks pretty good. So there you go. It's all done, and if you want, you can even use it vertically too, just like this, And you can have 3 grids high and 2 across, or you can switch it to 2 grids high and 3 across. Perfect. So as you can see, this didn't take a long time, approximately 15 minutes. And you can even do it all by yourself, just like I did. This is made of powder coated steel wire, and it measures approximately 44 inches. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.